Hi, welcome to Chef Tips UK with me, Chef Ricky. If you're brand new here, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, I'm on them. Right, today, jerk chicken. Absolute classic. Everyone loves it. Unless you don't like chicken, you probably don't like it. Right, so I'm going to start off with the marinade, the most important part of the jerk chicken. So we've got a fair few ingredients here. I'm going to break them down and we'll go through them. Got a little bowl here. I'm just going to make my marinade into that bowl and then I'm going to cover the chicken with it. One thing I ain't really brushed up on too much in my videos, the importance of clean hands. Make sure you wash your hands before you start cooking. If you touch raw meat and stuff, really important, especially chicken. Get them hands clean. So, clean hands, clean knife, clean board, everything clean, and you're ready to cook. Right, got some chilies here. I've just got some little green chilies here. The little green chilies tend to be really hotter than the sort of standard sort of big fat red chilies. So we're going to go with these. Keep the seeds in if you want a bit more heat. If you don't want a bit more heat, take them out. I'm going to show you how to take them out today. I'm going to be taking them out because the cameraman is not a massive fan of chilli. Oh yeah, don't talk, no. Right, so all I'm going to do here is slice them down the middle. Really simple. And then all we're going to do is just scratch them seeds out like that. Another really important thing, if you are using fresh chilies, make sure you wash your hands, especially before you go to the toilet. If you start touching your tickle tackle after chilies, you're going to know about it. You really are going to know about it. So, we're just going to scrape the seeds out of these. Just like so. And I just want purely the skin. Right, so once you've deseeded your chilies, I'll just bang them in a little food waste bowl there. All we're going to do, thinly slice them. When you slice in, nails in, and rock that knife. Rock it. So all we're going to do is just thinly slice them, just like that, and then they're going to be ready to go in. Right, so once your chilies are sliced up, into the bowl they go. 2 fresh chilies, forgot to mention that part. To that, I've got some fresh thyme here. You can use the dried if you want. I wouldn't. Just in case you don't know how to do it, just take a stick of thyme, just break it off, and then all you're going to do is run your hands down it and just peel it off, just like that. There we go. Leaves of thyme. We've got roughly about 5 twigs worth there, maybe 4. In there we go with that. Garlic. If you've watched any of my videos, you'll know I love to grate garlic. So, just on the grater, the fine one, as always, just into that grater. Once your garlic's grated, bang, into the marinade pot goes that. Right, so we've now got chili, thyme, garlic in here. I want to go with something a little bit different. I've not really seen done before. Little touch of Dijon mustard. I love Dijon mustard. I'm just going to go about half a tablespoon in there. Really adds a nice depth to it. Right, so this is where the spices come into it. I've got allspice, cloves, cinnamon and nutmeg, all ground. Quite easy to get hold of. We're going to go 2 teaspoons of the allspice straight in there. We're then going to go 1 teaspoon of clove, ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and to finish off 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Boom. Straight in my basket. Give it a little whip mix, give it a little mix, just with a spoon, don't have to be anything special. And then we're going to go a touch of Liam Perrins in there, just a couple of splashes, just like that. Mix it in. plenty of cracked black pepper, freshly cracked, pinch of sea salt. Mix it up. It smells lovely, really nice and fragrant. To that, we're going to go in with a tiny glug of olive oil. Mix that in. Right, so once you've given it a mix up, it should sort of resemble sludge. It's not the most appetising looking thing. Really nice though, really nice. So once you've got your sludge, I mean your jerk chicken marinade, we move on to the chicken. I've got drumsticks and thighs here, a mixture. You don't really tend to want to be using chicken breast because it's not as flavoursome. And all we're going to do with this is just each bit, we're just going to get it and we're just going to score a couple of lines into the skin. Just really roughly, it doesn't have to be an exact science. We're just going to score the chicken just to let that marinade just soak in there. Right, so once all your chicken is scored, we're going to go straight in there. And then the marinade is going to go straight on top of that. Scoop it all out, get it on there. Why I said the importance of cleaning your hands, the best way to mix this is you get your hands in there. Just get them in there and mix that all round. Right, so once you've all cleaned up, you've washed your hands, you've washed your knife, you've washed your board, all we're going to do with this is grab some cling film, wrap it over the top of that bowl and just cover it up. This wants to go in the fridge for at least 1 hour, ideally overnight. But if you ain't got that time, 1 hour minimum. 3 hours, 2 hours, really great. Minimum of an hour. Just gonna go in the fridge. I'll see you in a few hours time. Right, so jerk chicken. Been marinating in the fridge for a couple of hours now. It don't look the greatest thing ever, but it smells amazing. It's one of them dishes. It don't look the best, but it tastes great. So I've got the oven on gas mark 7 heating up. Frying pan. I'm going to use a metal handled saucepan, so I can just bang it in the oven in the saucepan. So we're just going to get this onto the gas. High heat, wait for that to come up to temperature. Right, so once your pan's up to heat, just going to get a glug of olive oil. Straight in there. Give it a swirl. I'm going to start adding the chicken in. Just get all that chicken in there. Oh, I think I'll just about get away. Just about get away with that. The pan's a bit too small for how much chicken I've got, but I think I might just be able to manage with that. Little bits from the bowl, get them in there. A little bits of chilli and that in there. Then what we want to do is we want to fry this off for a couple of minutes. It's a really nice colour. Bring out them flavours. Cook all them flavours. Smells lovely. So aromatic. Right, so this jerk chicken's been cooking for about 5 minutes in the pan. Just going to take a bit of fresh thyme here and just scatter it along in there. I like a bit of thyme, I use it a lot in my dishes. If you're used to the video, the channel, you'll know this by now. Sprinkle of thyme in there, give it a little shake. Just shake that and roll. Turn these over, get all that thyme in there. Right, now I'm just going to bang this straight in the oven for about 30 minutes. Boom. See you guys in 30. Right, this jerk chicken's been in the oven now for about 30 minutes. So, Right, get this bad boy out. Look at that. Look at that. That just looks beautiful, doesn't it? So, cooking meat, chicken, steak, pork, anything like that. Really crucial. I've said it 1,000 times in my head. I'll say it 1,000 times more. Really crucial to rest your meat. With chicken, you should always rest it for as long as you've cooked it. So we're going to rest this now for 30 minutes and we'll be back here. Right, so the chicken's been resting for a good 30 minutes. Normally this is served with like rice and peas and stuff like that. I thought I might do that in another video. I'm just going to get tucked in there. Wow, as you can see, I thoroughly enjoyed that. Really nice, really aromatic, and really nice little kick to with the chilies. Obviously I didn't put the seeds in there. If you want it a bit hotter, I'd say put the seeds in there. Really great, really easy. Try it out at home, guys. Let me know how you get on. Until next time, keep on chefing.